Hello everyone, my name is Ara and I'm your student nurse for today. I'll be sharing with you how to do daily care of the patient's room. So let's get to know first the purpose of doing daily care of the room or the ward. It is to provide a clean, orderly, and attractive environment for the patient at all times, to provide a safety of the patient, the nurse, and other personnel, to keep the patient comfortable with happiness, and to keep all equipment functioning at all times. Adjust window room shades to uniform height when this does not interfere, and good lighting. Adjust the lighting to the advantage of the patient. Remove all refuse and place in paper bag or new paper. Keep the floors clean and dry. Keep bedside tables, window sills, chairs, or floors free from unnecessary articles. Return any equipment that is not used to the proper place. Try to maintain a spirit of cheerfulness and willingness to lend a hand being asked or told. Keep alert for visitors and suspicious behavior. Be vigilant. So now I'll be sharing with you how to do dusting. But before we start with the procedure, let us first try to understand and define what this procedure is all about. When we say dusting, this is the process of keeping our patient room safe and free from infection. It is commonly done for us to have the sepsis or the total absence of pathogenic microorganisms in our patient's room. Now we will be talking about the purpose of doing dusting. The main purpose of dusting is to remove dirt from all the horizontal and vertical surfaces for comfort and cleanliness in the patient's unit. To start with the dusting, assess the environment for the need of specialized materials such as hard-to-reach places, and check the presence of objects within the environment that should not be damp, such as electrical appliances. Also, assess for the presence of hazardous objects that should be removed prior to dusting. After the assessment, introduce yourself to the client or to your patient. Hello ma'am, I'm Ara and I will be your student nurse for today. Okay? Thank you so much po. So I will be dusting here in your room. Would that be okay? Okay po. So the purpose of our dusting is that it will be making your room clean and free from any pathogens and microorganisms, and it will be preventing you from having infection. Okay po? So I will now start by getting and preparing the equipment that is needed. After introducing yourself to the client, gather all the equipment that is needed. So first is basin with water, laundry soap, Lysol, ordinary oil, and several pieces of dusting clothes. First and foremost, remember that we must not put our equipment on the floor because it has a high probability of contamination. Therefore, we must put it in a chair. This mirror is an example of non-varnished furniture. Take a piece of cloth and dip it in water and apply a little amount of soap. Cleaning with water and soap lessens the number of bacteria. Then scrub with pressure in the area in a circular motion. Always remember to start the area away from you to the area near you. Frictions help to remove organisms from the surface. Next is to dust a small area at a time, starting at the top, going to the bottom. At this time, rinse the dusting cloth. Then wipe the part soap until clean. Then, continue the procedure until all parts have been dusted. Our next step is to wipe the area with a clean cloth to dry the mirror. So now we are done with this part. We will now proceed to the varnish furniture. So this is an example of varnish furniture. To do the dusting, we will not use soap. Rather, we will use an oil. The first step in dusting a varnished furniture is to dust it with damp cloth. Then dry it again using another dry cloth. After drying, dust it again using an oiled cloth. And finally, wipe it again to dry. And that is how to do dusting. Thank you for watching.